What's up, everybody? Today's a big day. You get to go pick up the new project car, the 1965 Mustang Coupe that we're calling Project Code Blue. To be honest, I haven't even seen the car in person yet, just a few pictures on Craigslist, so it'll truly be a sight unseen purchase. Now, my buddy Joe from church is on his way over with the truck and trailer, and he's graciously volunteered to go and help me pick it up. Now, this one may be a little bit harder because it has no wheels, no tires, no engine, no transmission, and no suspension. So it's going to be a challenge getting on the trailer. So I've got a few moving dollies here, so we'll see if we can make this work. But follow along. Let's go get the car. What's up, everybody? So, went to pick up the 65 Mustang Coupe, and unfortunately, dude was not super cool about us videoing at his place. But that's all right, because it's here. We got the car back at the house, and I've gone ahead and pressure washed it and cleaned it up a little bit. So it does have some spots that are a little rougher than I was expecting, but that's all right. So start with, I knew that it needed floor pans. Not a big deal. I've got the driver and the passenger side floor pans already on order. Those should be here probably later this week, and go ahead and get that done. It will need quarters. So somebody tried to do a little patchwork on this quarter, and as you can see, just did not do a very good job. So between that and it's got some holes like back here in the quarter right above the extension, it really just needs a whole new quarter on the right side. So it will get both new quarters, because as we go around to the other side, this has kind of the typical Mustang rot above the wheel arches. So the car's going to end up getting both quarters done, and unfortunately it looks like something fell on here. I don't know what it is. There was a crap ton of Bondo in there, so this piece here will get replaced. Going down the driver's side, good news is the rockers are really solid. So no rust at all in the rockers anywhere. And the frame rails are good, the cowl is good, the firewall is great. So don't have to worry about really anything forward of the firewall. It did come with a set of doors. And let's see if you can see this here. There's our little trim tag. But unfortunately the bottoms of the doors are rusty, so we'll end up looking for some new doors. As new, no engine, no transmission, no rear axle, no real suspension. It does have uppers and lowers on it, so it needs brakes. And I think I've got them for both sides. Let me look over here. Yep. So just need to bolt the front suspension back together and then get a rear axle, and it'll be a roller. So the tentative plan right now is I need to go ahead and get the title in the works, go ahead and get it titled in my name, and get the floor pans done, and then go from there. So it looks like the car was originally a vinyl roof car. It looks like there's some vinyl kind of crammed here in the window channel, and unfortunately, I don't know if you can see here, there's like 20 little holes all the way down the drip rail that end up needing to be filled. So all the way down on both sides, it's got holes in it. But that's not a big deal, it's just a tiny little thing. The good news about it is the roof is absolutely perfect. So no dents, no big pryings anywhere in it. And no rust. So it should clean up pretty well. Looking in the trunk, let me get my little key here. I don't know if you can see this. It does have some rust in the trunk, so there's some holes through there. So the trunk floor and then down to the step-offs have got some rust. Not a big deal because the quarters are coming off anyway, and it's that way on both sides. So let's see if I can see that there. And then down, this is where somebody tried to patch the quarter there. So anyway, the trunk floor will get replaced when the quarters come off. The tail light panel here is actually in really good condition, so that will probably be saved. And then the deck lid is also in really good condition, so no rust anywhere in the deck lid. Just needs to get cleaned up and painted. So alright, there you have it. So moving forward next, floor pans and